Radioulnar A-P and P-A glide. So this is an end field test between the radius and the ulna. Hence the name radioulnar. And what we're going to do is, best we can, is get on top of the radius and then spring it anterior to posterior and posterior to anterior. Okay. So the previous test was really a test for the radioulnar joint. Okay. And this test is a test for the joint between the radius and the ulna. So we're working our way around the different joints of the elbow, right? So it looks like this. Bones parallel. I'm going to come in with my subaxial stabilization, but this time, because I want to isolate the radius from the ulna, I'm actually going to come across the joint line and I'm going to hold the ulnohumeral joint in extension. Leave the radius free to move. I got to find it. It's in that depression. It's in the bottom half. I'm going to put this reinforced digit on that radial head. I'm going to come over the top on the radius and ever so lightly spring down and spring up. A to P, P to A. Pretend it all.
What's your contact point?
The contact point is here and here. The segmental contact point is his radial head here in the posterior side, and then the best I can do, try to move the muscle away and get on the anterior surface of it. So it looks like this. There's my joint line being covered over on the medial side to lock out the ulnohumeral joint. Contact the radial head, top and bottom, spring down, pull up. Some people will curl their knuckle and try to use the side of that knuckle as their contact, especially with a really big joint. So with smaller people, you can get your, the pad of your finger. If the person gets larger, you might slide to the side of your index finger and then use that whole side. Rightio? All right, let's try that. So